Learn Japanese, the general counter and counter for people. Hello, this is Kiki. Our team to learn Japanese, Fatima-san です。佐藤さんです。Today, we are going to learn Japanese counter suffix, general use, and how to count people. Our agenda today. First, introduction. I'm going to introduce the two counter suffix. Then, how to use with example conversation with Kiki sensei. Then, phrases from Demon Slayer. Let's get started. 1. Introduction. Basic rule 1. No plural or singular. For example, in English, I believe there are number and noun and plus s or es, like one person, two person. But Japanese doesn't work like that. How Japanese works is number plus counter. Like one person, hitori, two person, futari. This is the counter, it means person. But we already know some counters. For example, time. We say number plus ji, number plus fun. For example, 2時2分 2時2分 So let's recap. 1時2時3時4時5時6時7時8時9時10時11時12時 Another example we learned is month and date. Number plus 月 number plus 日 For example, 1月2月3月4月5月6月7月8月9月10月11月12月 The dates part is a bit complicated, so if you are not familiar with month and date, please go to the above link so you can learn how to say month and date. But we get back to our original topic, general counter, that is number plus tsu. So this is the general counter for things, especially small things like rice bowl or a cup. This counter is number plus tsu. And this is very convenient and useful because you can use it if you don't know the counters. Japanese people might find this a bit unusual, but we understand what you mean. So if you don't know the counter, you can just use this 何々つ. But there is a limitation because this is very authentic Japanese way to count. So this only up to 10. So from 1 to 10, we can use number plus 2, but from 11, we need to use another different things. But today is first video for counters. So just let's memorize this first, right? So let's count rice bowl. 1つ2つ3つ4つ5つ6つ7つ8つ9つと Let's have a look how to write 1つ 2つ、3つ、4つ、5つ、6つ、7つ、8つ、9つと、so only 1 to 10. And いくつ This is a question mark. So how many? いくつ means how many. So let's go to another, the second one. The counter for people. This is number plus this kanji. This means hito, people. And we read nin or ri. So let's have a look. Hitori, 2人、3人、4人、5人、6人、7人、8人、9人、10人。Let's have a look how to write. 1人、2人、3人、4人、5人、6人、7人、8人、9人、10人。何人 How many people? 何人 people. So, and only one 1人 and 2人 we have to pronounce like special way. And after that, we can just put 人 after the number. Second, how to use. So, this is the rice balls. Onigiri. いくら、明太子、梅干し、鮭、昆布。Let's have a conversation. Let's say, Kiki, I am the staff of Onigiri shop and Fatima-san is a customer. いらっしゃいませ。おいしいおにぎりありますよ。梅2つください。はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございました。いらっしゃいませ is the template. So, hello or may I help you? We can translate like that. おいしいおにぎりありますよ。おいしい means delicious or nice. おにぎり is this. あります is existence. So there are. We learn this and so if you are not familiar with this, I put the video so you can learn how to use 何々があります。Then, 梅2つください。梅 is this salted plum. 2つ2つ is two and counter. 梅2つください。ください means please, give. はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございました。はい、どうぞ。Here you go. ありがとうございました。Thank you very much. Oh, here we said 梅2つ. We skip the rice balls because this is the onigiri shop, so we know. Then, in English, normally we write 2 rice balls, like number is first, but in Japanese, noun is first. So, 梅 and number and counter. So, it's opposite. Third, phrases from Demon Slayer. So today we are going to learn a phrase from Zenitsu to Tanjiro and Inosuke. And this is from Demon Slayer Ep24. So in this scene, before this scene, Tanjiro and Inosuke and Zenitsu had a fight against the spider demon. So 3 of them were all damaged. But Tanjiro and Inosuke got better fast. So they started training. But everyday training was very hard. So Tanjiro and Inosuke, their faces are like that. So they are tired. And then, so one day, Zenitsu joined the training. And then Zenitsu found out the training includes like stretching with girls. And Zenitsu loves girls. So Zenitsu was very angry and upset, and he said to Tanjiro and Inosuke, 女の子は1人につきおっぱい2つ、お尻1つ、太もも2つついてんだよ。So, this phrase we have 2 counters, like how to count people and how to count general small things. So let's have a look. 女の子 means girl. 一人につき this is per person. So 一人 means one person. につき is per, so per person. おっぱい2つ two boobs. お尻1つ one butt. 太もも2つ two thighs. ついてんだよ。ついてる This means, it means attached, but it's the same as have or there are. And then, だよ is like the end of the sentence, so he put his emotion. So, let's recap of how to use counters for general things. So, this is the female. おっぱい2つ So, in Japanese, noun first and then number and counter. So in English, 2 first and then noun. But in Japanese, noun, number, counter. お尻1つ。太もも2つ。太もも is here and here. So, I will repeat again. 女の子は1人につきおっぱい2つ、お尻1つ、太もも2つついてんだよ。So it's not very good to say it, but just Zenitsu's character is kind of outstanding or different from others. So don't say that phrase, but when you listen, you can understand. And this has how to count person and how to count general things. Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。